Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we discuss some very important case laws of constitutional law like Keshwananda Bharti case, Minerva Mills case, Indira Gandhi vs Raj Narayan. So let's learn these case laws in deep. Keshwananda Bharti vs State of Kerala. AIR 1973, SC 1461. Background of this case: there was a challenge to the Kerala Land Reforms Act, which imposes restrictions on land ownership, including that of a religious institution headed by Sri Keshwananda Bharti. Issue: whether Parliament's power to amend the Constitution under Article 368 was absolute. The case was decided by the bench S. M. Sikri, J. M. Shelat, K. S. Hedge, A. N. Grover, P. Jagmohan Reddy, A. N. Ray, H. R. Khanna. The Supreme Court established a basic structure doctrine. This doctrine holds that while the Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution, it cannot alter or destroy its fundamental or basic structure. The reference of basic structure: supremacy of Constitution, secularism, democracy, rule of law. Next case is Indira Gandhi vs Raj Narayan. AIR 1975 to SCC 159. Issues involved: Article 329A, 4, Representation of Peoples, Amendment, Act 1974, Election Laws, Amendment, Act 1975 were constitutionally valid or not. The case was decided by the bench A. N. Ray, H. R. Khanna, K. K. Mathew, M. H. Beg, Y. V. Chandrachud. The Supreme Court declared that Article 329A, 4, invalid as per the decision of the case Keshwananda Bharti. The court held that the Parliament cannot amend the Constitution in a way that interferes with its basic structure, and declare the Representation of Peoples, Amendment, Act 1974 and the Election Laws, Amendment, Act 1975 were invalid. Minerva Mills vs Union of India. AIR 1980 SC 1789. Issues: Section 4 and 55 of the Constitution, 42nd Amendment, Act 1976, damage the basic structure? Whether Section 4 of the above Act valid or not. Judges: Y. V. Chandrachud, A. C. Gupta, N. L. Untwalia, P. N. Bhagwati, P. S. Kalasam J. J. The court held that Parliament's power to amend the Constitution, though wide, but it's not absolute. It cannot be used to grant itself unlimited power to destroy basic structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then do like, subscribe and comment.